know if you can tell, we're out here today. It's a little bit later than usual, so we got the barbecue going here. It's preheated. Alright, so I got the Napoleon lights on right now. Let's see. There you go. Lights up pretty well. The barbecue's pretty large, so just these two lights don't work great. Should probably have a third or a fourth one. So we're going to put the chicken thighs on. First I'm going to clean the grill. Let's see if I can hold the camera and clean the grill at the same time here. What I like to do is get the barbecue up super hot, as hot as I can get it. Turn all the burners off. So once you have the pan, you can coat all the grate. I don't do it like this every time. It's been a little while since I've seasoned the grill. So now we'll turn the burners back on. Just turning the burners off just helps no flames basically burn your hairs off. So we're going to turn it down to about medium. It's going to smoke a little bit. And we're going to throw the chicken on. So today we got the chicken thighs. Today we got the chicken thighs. Now they should not stick. A large part of stuff sticking to your grill is that your grill is not hot enough. And two more pieces here. Probably turn the heat down a little bit more. You can definitely see where that light is. Right here. Right there. So if you haven't seen my other video, check it out. It's the barbecue tour. So once your burner is on, it turns red. You can turn them on or off with this button here. No matter what, the red will be on if the burner's on. This way you never forget your burner's on. This button here is the igniter for the back burner here, the rotisserie burner I call it. And it also does the sear station over here. Let's get it on. See if we can do that again. There you go. Shut that off. Alright, so we want to turn the heat down just a little bit here. What we're going to end up doing is we're going to put all the chicken to one side, and we're going to turn the heat up on this side. We don't want to sit here all day watching this chicken cook, but we don't want the chicken to burn either. Now, alright, so this is what we did. We got the chicken going on the one side. Flip them all. See them getting cooked. You're going to want to cook them to an internal temperature 165 to 175. I go for about 175 with these, or a little higher. Just make sure that there's no grimy bits or anything like that. All the fat and everything will cook right out of them. So we have the burner on this side. You can see it. On as high as it'll go. That's this one and this one. And these ones here are basically as low as they will go. So it's kind of like indirect, but we want it to cook a little bit faster, but we don't want it to flame up. There we go. Alright, so there we go. These are measuring in at an internal temperature of, I think it was 175 or 178 or something like that. So we're not going to put any thing on these ones here, and we're going to test the difference between the two. This one here has got our white sauce on it. So I'll rub it in. We're going to take the other ones off for now. We'll let these ones get a little bit juicier. We'll probably put a little more sauce and flip them. Let's take these ones off there. So all this color that you see on them right now, all that is literally is just the dry rub that we put on it. There's a little bit of sugar and other stuff in there, so what it does is it makes it a little bit golden. We will put this right here, turn the barbecue a little bit on this side. I'm going to put a little bit more. So here's the sauce. A little bit more. There you go. Rub it all over. Alright. The last thing we're going to do, we're just going to flip these. We will hit the bottom of it real fast. Not a lot. Just like that. Alright. Let that sit for a few minutes. We'll come back when we're inside. Alright, one last look here. Looks like with the sauce, take the sauce and do a little bit more on top once we have it on our sandwich. That's what the barbecue looks like lit up with the blue. And we're just about done. I'm thinking actually, I have this light here, I'm thinking of getting a string light to maybe go across here so that we have more light down here. We'll see. Alright guys, we're back. So, what I have right now is we've got some lettuce, got a nice bowl, we've got some bacon. What we have here is our chicken. So what I want to do real fast is let's put a piece on here, get a nice knife out, let's take a chunk off of it and test it out. Oh, that sauce. Oh man. That sauce is so good. It's amazing. A little spicy. That's exactly what we want. So we're going to get not one, but 2 pieces of Monterey Jack jalapeno. So got 2 pieces of that. We've got the lettuce. Right here we have the bacon and the ham. Can't stop eating this, it's so good. I'm going to clean the cutting board. There we go. Alright, so I got the toast right there. Let's start off with piece here, a piece here. Now, grab your chicken, put a piece there, a piece there, and then we're going to put the ham on here. We'll also put the bacon there. So we're going to put a little bit of the sauce right here. Put this on top. We're going to put a little bit of mayo. Alright. Take your top. Oh, so you get the lettuce. Put the lettuce on here just like that. If I had tomato, I'd put some tomato on. I made this recipe yesterday as well, and I did have some tomato. So just like that. If anything, we'll put a little bit more mayo, just to glue the bun. Now what we're going to do, I have a bunch of these skewers. I'll measure it. Here, break it off. So, I'm going to push down a little bit, put it in half of it, just like that. Just like that. Now we're going to take this sandwich, and we're just going to cut it in half. Just like that. Now, I'm going to do real fast. These are too long. There. Okay. Ready for this? Put it up. That's what we got right there. That's beautiful if you ask me. Just like that. Look at how beautiful that looks. See the chicken and the bacon, everything. Now let's eat it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked our videos. If you liked it that much, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications so you get updates on the new videos.